Today I will show you how to split audio tracks using Audacity. First the manual way and then the automatic method. Audacity is a free audio player and a powerful sound editing program which can be downloaded from the link shown below. In my case, I went to File and reopened it as Recent Files. First, I will show you the manual way. Press CTRL B to make a break. Option to give the track a name. You could do this for every track. However, I will now show you a more efficient way, especially if there are many tracks. Under Edit, I will undo those two changes. I'll then highlight the audio tracks with a double click or CTRL A. Click on Analyze and on Silence Finder. I changed my settings to 20, 2 and 0.5. Silence Finder didn't detect small gap between tracks 2 and 3. To fix the problem, I undid Silence Finder and then clicked in the small gap. Click on Generate and down on Silence. I added 1.2 seconds to expand the gap. As you can see, the gap is now bigger. Click on Analyze and on Silence Finder again. All tracks are now split fairly evenly. I can now name all the tracks. To save files, select File, Export and Export Multiple. You have the option to add more details to all the tracks. All audio tracks are now separated and named, so click on OK. I hope you enjoyed this video, Split Audio Tracks using Audacity. In the description below this online video are links to related sound tutorials including Merge audio tracks using Audacity.